Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the can't find Sharefactory error on your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump into the Sharefactory tutorial right now. So I've been hearing a lot of people talk about how they can't find Sharefactory on their PlayStation 4. Even if they go to the PlayStation Store and try to download it, it still says it can't be launched. So how do we fix this? So on my PlayStation 4 right now, I do not have an external device connected to my PlayStation 4. However, if you do have an external hard drive on your PlayStation 4, this may be causing the Sharefactory app on your PlayStation 4 not launching properly. And what you will want to do is disconnect your external hard drive. Delete the Sharefactory application if you can. So go ahead and select the application like this, press options, go to delete, then go back to the PlayStation 4 store here, and then search for Sharefactory. But it seems like the problem is when you have an external hard drive on your PlayStation 4, it hasn't been allowing people to launch Sharefactory properly. And keep Sharefactory on your PlayStation 4 and then maybe put your games and other applications on your external hard drive. And this should fix the problem with Sharefactory not working properly on your PlayStation 4, and you should be able to edit your videos now. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.